Hello, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard the 2020 Aviara 36 Outboard. Starting in the back, she's powered by triple 300 horsepower Mercury Verado engines. You'll notice the beautiful sea deck on the swim platform that continues along the whole interior of the boat. Here in the aft, you have a large sun pad, adjustable backrest, cup holders, and there is, of course, storage under the seating. Here you have more hydraulic seating, adjustable, up, down, whatever's most comfortable. Coming into the boat, you have cup holders, additional storage underneath. Great amount of seating in the cockpit here, very comfortable, speakers throughout the boat, and of course, storage underneath all the cushions. On your starboard side here, you have your two Kenyan grills, two refrigerators, ice maker, large freshwater sink, and you'll notice this beautiful hardtop. Give you some shade on these hot summer days. Has the built-in stereo speakers, so you can hear the music no matter where you're sitting. Further up in the cockpit, we have this adjustable backrest here, which leads us to our helm seat. Large two-person helm seat, very comfortable. You have your Simrad screen, Garmin screen, you have your Skyhook joystick, throttles, all your switches. Taking us into the cabin, you'll notice the sea deck continues on into the cabin, where you'll find a nice bed, television, microwave, some additional storage, and of course, your head. Nice place to spend the night. Moving on into the bow, you'll notice you have this door here that can close off any access to the bow, and it can just as easily be tucked away. In the bow, you have wraparound seating, storage underneath the cushions, additional speakers, cup holders, safety rails, and lastly, windlass anchor. Again, this is the 2020 Aviara 36 Outboard. For any questions, any additional information, please reach out to us at MarineMax Boston. Thank you.